welcome to Let's Play. Oh, I know it. So we're just gonna get started here. We gotta find all the types. I'm doing this during the day since I don't want to do this during the night, because then I get too scared. I did not see what I had to do. X is that. A is to interact, I think. So here we go. So. No, thank you. Oh. No, thank you. 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 Well, there's nothing here. There's not that many horror games on Xbox. Well, we're just gonna go off path here. And not turn around. Oh wait, is the shed up here? Or is the shed to my right? Shed is to my left. The gate's right there! No, wait. There's no gate. There should be one inside. Hello? Hello? Anyone in here? Oh, I guess not. Well, as you can see, I'm acting like a Markiplier today. God damn. It's hard to find anything here. As you can see over here, there's nothing. So let's walk over here. If I get scared enough, I might drop my phone. Oh no, no, thank you. No, thank you. No, thank you. Yes, found one. Yeah, baby. I'm here. Hey. Oh man, creepy music. I can already hear it. I'm not scared it's daytime, so I might get jump scared, but you know. What's that? No, that guy. No, I don't see you. Oh, no, thank you. 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 I don't want to. No, thank you. No, thank you. Oh no, don't tell me it's a dead end. Please don't be a dead end. I'm only doing this once, so. Hey, buddy. Hey, dude. Come here, dude. You are dead. Safe records, 1 time, 3 minutes, 11 seconds. That's true, I was recording till then. Anyway guys, I don't have the full game. I might purchase it. I just need your guys' help. Subscribe today for more. It's only $1. This game was classified by the community with the following categories: violence, 2-3. So anyway guys, if you want more horror games, please subscribe today for more. And I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye!